This is Vincent's first time in his bouncer, bouncing around. And his feet can actually touch the floor a little bit. Yay, Vincent! Yay! You're getting so tall and so big. We had to stuff it a little bit. El triángulo.
Red, rojo.
Rojo. Vincent, are you going to be bilingual thanks to baby Einstein? Kick, kick, kick. Kick, kick, kick. Kick those feet.
Red, rojo, rouge.
Good job, Vincent. I love you, handsome boy. I love you. You love me too?
6560232.